This video introduces the Air Management System and Ethernet IP setup. In this tutorial, we will be setting up the EXA1 system with Rockwell Studio 5000 software from Allen Bradley. We first need to download the EDS file from the SMC World website. For EDS registration, in the Rockwell Studio 5000 application, click on Tools and then select EDS Hardware Installation Tool. A pop-up window will appear to guide on installing the configuration file. Click Next to continue. Select the option to register an EDS file. Click Next, then browse for the file. Now continue through the options until you have completed the installation. Configuring the module. In the Controller Organizer window, add a new module to the Ethernet IP slot. Locate the EXA1 and then click Create. We now have to configure the module. Enter the name and the configured IP address of the EXA1. Select Change to configure the I/O allocation. Looking at the web server, we can see the input and output size for the EXA1 hub and remote. This information can be used to enter the total input and output size. Confirm the change in module definition and select Close to save the new parameters. This concludes this video on the Air Management System and Ethernet IP setup.